हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल एस्ट्रो किताब में। वेलकम टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, अभी हमारी एक सीरीज चल रही है जिसमें मैं जो आपको बुक्स के बारे में बता रहा हूँ वो मोस्टली इंग्लिश में रिटन है, या कह सकते हैं आप इंग्लिश राइटर्स की बुक्स हैं, राइट। सो अभी मैंने आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा बुक्स के बारे में नहीं बताया, हिंदी बुक्स काफ़ी मैंने आपको बारे में बता चुका हूँ। तो जल्द ही मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि आपको मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स इंग्लिश में बुक्स को पढ़ना चाहते हैं, राइटर्स में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के अंदर, तो उनको मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बुक्स के बारे में बता सकूं। तो आज मैं जो आपके लिए एक बुक लेकर आया हूं जिसके बारे में आज आपसे हम डिस्कस करेंगे, वो बुक अपने आप में एक बहुत स्पेशल बुक है। कैसे उस बुक के अंदर आपको प्रश्न से, जो हमारी एक प्रश्न शास्त्र है जो एक अपने आप में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रखता है, उससे रिलेटेड बुक है। हाँ, ये बुक भी कंप्लीटली इन इंग्लिश में ही है। सो मैं टाइम को ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए आपको इस बुक के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। इस बुक का नाम है प्रिंसिपल्स एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ होरा एस्ट्रोलॉजी, मिस्ट्रीज ऑफ प्रश्न शास्त्र रिवील्ड साइंटिफिकली। So this book was written by D.P. Saxena. So in this book we will learn in the chapter 1 general remarks. You can say the start with the introduction, short note about the basic and nature and characteristics of the planets, some uncanny tools of predictions like the direction of person and his behavior, prediction by breath, important concepts like Indian aspects, Western aspects and Tajik aspects, and lots more in chapter 1. In chapter 2, working out the ascendants by the directions of the quest, by the first letter of the question and by numbers. In chapter 3, judging the chart, sincerity of the quest, does the chart reflect the question, success or failure, or summary. In chapter 4, first house question, what represent first house, what question raised from the first house, like shall the sick be cured, indication of mortal disease, is the absent person alive, how long shall I live, when shall mother return, which part of the country shall be fortunate to me, shall the change of place improve the health. Next chapter, second house related question. So you know it's related to finance. So the question which can raise, how will my financial condition, profitable investments, theft and thief, am I to have a second marriage, when shall I get my first salary, gain by races. So you know all houses represent different conditions. So in this book we will learn all questions related to each house. So as you know, till now we have discussed about till second house. Now come to the third house. So third house, as you know, related to the journey. So the questions which are related to journey and return of the native, whereabouts of the absent person, danger of troubles to the absent person, possibility of return journey, the return journey, when the absent person returns, and lots more in chapter 6 regarding third house. In chapter 7, the fourth house, you know, that's related to property. So the question raises regarding like purchasing of property, shall I be able to sell any property, is the house haunted, shall I succeed to the in the competition, courage to appear in the competition, shall I change the place of business, and lots more. Next chapter, chapter 8, is related to fifth house questions. Is the lady in family way, how old is the pregnancy, number of abortions, when delivery, sex of the child, shall my child pick up health, am I to adopt a child, shall I adopt this child, shall I to be safe delivery. So this is one of the important question in every life nowadays. So in this book you can learn and you can do practice after reading this book. regarding questions related to this. Next chapter is sixth house question. So disease associated with planets and house, sign of continue good health, seat of disease, identifications of disease, mental illness, and lots more. When will my tenants vacate? Strike in the factory. When shall it end? And lots more in chapter 9, the questions related to sixth house. In chapter 10, seventh house question. As you know, the seventh house clearly present the marriage. So shall the native will be married, time of marriage, second marriage, separation, divorce, who survive whom, profession of the partner, lawsuits, when my enemy is up to, love marriage or arranged marriage, shall the thief be caught, cause of the failure of the factory, and lots more questions are in the chapter 10 regarding 7th house. Now they move to the 8th house. So you know 8th house is related question: donations, scholarship, money by way of will. Shall I commit suicide? Shall I commit a murder? How long shall I live? So it's one of the important question everybody wants to know. Shall I have an operation? When shall the child be cured? Shall the operation to be successful? And lots more in chapter 11 related to the 8th house questions. Now move to the chapter 12. 9th house questions: transfer from the present place, transfer unavoidable, research and success, shall I go abroad, termination of service, shall I receive the indemnity for losses, shall my employer company prosper, and lots more in chapter 12, the questions related to 9th house. Now move to the chapter 13. 10th house question is one of the important house. So the profession, nature of job or profession, selection in the service, future prospects, getting employment, promotion when, shall I win the elections, and lots more from 10th house. Now move to chapter 14. 11th house question: any cure of the disease? Where is the missing person? Happiness in a married life? Will my desire be fulfilled? Choice of friends, and lots more in chapter 14. Now move to the chapter 15. 12th house question: any imprison? Any raid on my house of income tax department? Shall I be able to repay the loan? Shall I go overseas? And lots more in chapter 15, the questions related to 12th house. Chapter 16, that is on a different one. Here you will learn ghost, evil spirits and curse, planet and spirit associated with them, Rashi and spirits associated with them, Dev dosh or effects of angry gods, classification of spirits, causes of disease, suffering on account of cures, age of the preta who died, application from ghost, and lots more in chapter 16. Now move to chapter 17. There is also very interesting topic of Mukh or Nash Prashn, or the unspelled out questions. Identification of the planet representing the question, sign of the zodiacs as an indicator of the questions. Now chapter 18, doctrine of elections or astrology of Muhurat, setting up of an election chart, division of time, nakshatra principle, planetary hours, yoga system and daily yogas, general observation, ruling planets, some general principles related to building of house, lotteries, Muhurat for marriage, and lots more in chapter 18. So friends, this is one of the best book to know about the Prashn Kundli. If you want to know, this book is one of the best book, I think. So if you want to buy this book, you can contact with us through on my WhatsApp number or can mail me anytime. Thanks for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.